Hi everyone, Nick Wagner, Senior, founder of the Full Potential Movement. In today's video, we are going to discuss why LinkedIn is one of the best places to help you find a job. Thank you for coming back and watching more of my videos in my series on how to help you find a job. And today I want to talk about why I believe LinkedIn is actually one of the best tools for you to find your next job. So I'm going to give you a few tips on what you need to do to leverage the power of LinkedIn. So if you're looking for your next job, whether you've been let go or you have a job now, but you're looking to find a new one, or you're a college student looking for your first job, I think all of these tips would apply in any of those situations. So what I want to start with is I want to make sure that you sign up for the LinkedIn Premium service if you're looking for a new job. It's free for 30 days, and the reason I recommend this is you can actually see who views your profile, and you can send unlimited messages to people that you don't know. Very beneficial if you are looking for a job. So again, 30-day free trial. No, I'm not making any money on this from LinkedIn. It's just my recommendation. You might want to start with that, and then if it goes more than 30 days looking for the job, you may want to actually pay for it after your 30-day free trial. Next, you want to open yourself up to opportunities with recruiters on LinkedIn. By default, this is turned off. So there's actually in your profile, there's a section where you can say, I am open to opportunities from recruiters. What this does is it sets a little flag that lets recruiters know you're open to new opportunities. LinkedIn does everything they can. So recruiters at your own company, if you are at a company, you don't want them to know that you're looking. They try to prevent your company's recruiters from finding out. But again, if you're in a situation where you've been laid off or you're a college student looking to find a new job, it's not going to matter. So you want to open yourself up to recruiters, because that way recruiters will know that you are open to new opportunities, and there's a better chance that someone's going to reach out to you. The third thing that I want to highlight on why I think LinkedIn is such a great place for you to find your next job is you can actually ask people for career advice through the career advice tool within LinkedIn. This is where you can actually ask questions, and then LinkedIn will find people like myself that have volunteered to say, hey, I'm an expert on these topics, and I will provide free career advice to people on the topics that I think I'm an expert on. So you might ask someone, I'm looking to get into the field of big data. What are some things I might need to do to get into that field if I want to find a job in that role? And then you could actually be connected with someone who's in that field that will answer your career advice question. This is a great way to, one, get advice, but two, actually meet people in that field that might, who knows, be able to introduce you to a recruiter or a hiring manager. So there are 3 tips why I think you should use LinkedIn to help you find your next job. If you like this content and my other content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Full Potential Movement. You can also visit my website, fullpotentialmovement.com, or you can find me on LinkedIn. Just search for Nick Wagner Senior, and hope you connect with me. Thanks for watching, and be well.